How to use Google Translate. So if you have a document that is in Spanish or any language, or you want to translate it into English, this video is for you. Whether you want to use your 𝗕ance or your image document or PDF, any website that you want to translate it into the language that you can understand, this video is for you. So Google Translate has been with us for a long time, and it has recently added a new functionality that you can tap into it to make your work much more easier. So in the past, when you come and tap any language, whether Spanish, French, Arabic in this interface, and you want it to translate into English, you can easily see it here. But now it has added a new feature. So if you are using a mobile device, you can follow this along. Now Google Translate has added a feature where you can use an image directly or a document, whether in a PDF or Word, or you can even use a website URL to basically convert it to the language that is best understandable to you. So let's say, for instance, we want to translate an English word into Spanish. So I'm going to use good morning, and then you can see it's currently translated, which is buen dia. Or if you want to type something like thank you, in real time translated gracias. So you can also use an image. In this case, if you have a 𝗕ance, you can easily insert it by clicking on the image. Maybe you want to translate it to English. So we have two options. So you can either choose to browse from your file, or you can just drag and drop it here. So I'm going to drag and drop my image. So let me open my pictures. So among the pictures, I have this one which is in Spanish. I want it to be converted to English. So let me just open it for you to have a look first. So this is basically in Spanish language, and if I want it to be converted to English, it's pretty simple. All I will do is just to click and hold on it, and then drag and drop it to this interface. Allow it a bit of moment to do its work. Currently it's translating, and there you are. It has been translated to English. So if you want to see it proper, let me zoom it again, and now you can see the result of the previous response is only effective for the date the request was originally completed. For more up-to-date information, please submit a new request for fingerprint machine for the individual. This is amazing. Google Translate has now gone to a new level. Just by importing an image, it has already translated it. If you want to copy it in a text format, you can just click on copy text, or better still, if you want to download the translation, just click on download translation. It's pretty simple and easy. After that, if you also have a document and you want to use it, whether it's in the form of Word or PDF, and you want to convert it to English, it's pretty simple. So just click on the document part, and with this interface, we're going to utilize the same functionality that we used in the first. Try and open my document file. So if you have a PDF or Word or any file that you can easily insert it here, just drag and drop it here, and it will be converted to the language that you can easily understand. And if you also stumble on a website that you don't understand the language, whether it's in Arabic, French, Spanish, or any of the language that you don't understand, just come to the Google Translate, and on the website menu, just copy the URL of the website and insert it here. Then proceed to tap on translate. The website will automatically be translated to your understanding. As you can see, Google Translate has moved to another level. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.